Here's how to repair a rather fantastic hole that some wild dogs tore into the side of this building. Apparently a small animal had gotten inside the wall and the dogs chewed this wall out to get to it. Now we're lucky, you see that the webs are in place, so what I've done is I've cut another piece, matches it. I've chosen to take some that have webs in it so they're embedded in the concrete. I've just cut the far end off. I'm going to slide this up in here and fit it in just right. Alright, so what I've decided to do is I'm going to put up a small temporary straps here to hold everything in place, foam it all together, and once that foam hardens up and I trim it, then I'm going to take the temporary straps off and put a big piece of solid plywood all the way across. I'll show you that in a minute. So here we go. As soon as I get the first strap up, you can take off. So what I've done is gone into the adjacent webs. I went right into that BB hardpoint. Those things are great. There we go. Keep it running. Spray foam here to We're back here after lunch and this foam's had time to harden up. Go ahead and take these temporary straps off. And I like a little vibrating reciprocating multi-tool like this for cutting the foam flush. This works real easy. Go. It's not pretty, but it is pretty strong. Got it cleaned off here. Just a few holes and voids. We'll fill that later after the concrete has been poured and it's all settled. But for now, what we want to do is get some hard plywood up here to hold back the weight of the concrete. So I've got just some short scraps that were left over from other parts of the job. And one thing I'm going to make sure is that I get at least 2 webs on each side of the blowout. And I'm going to screw these into these BB hard attachment points. And there we go. That's secured. That should hold plenty during the pour.